Since 1993, tens of thousands of developers, programmers, engineers, and designers working with Microsoft technologies have attended Visual Studio Live for practical, independent developer training. VSLive travels to cities like Las Vegas, Chicago, Austin, and New York. Orlando hosts the largest VSLive every year as a part of Live 360, which serves both the developer and IT communities.
I was actually at the very first VSLive, which was then called VBits.
I was an attendee long before I was a presenter.
I've been presenting at VSLive since somewhere in the mid to late 90s.
My first appearance, back when it was called VBits, was in 1995.
I had so many questions. Am I doing the right thing? Is there a better way I should be doing this? And going to the conference at that point gave me an opportunity to find answers.
My company brought me here to help identify solutions for a new internal research and development project.
Our company sent some people last year and they loved it, so they'd like to send 5 more people and I was one of them. Great. So far I love it.
This year they were asking me to see what we can do to plan some upcoming work on our mobile app. We're lacking the skills in-house and we need to come up with our strategy of how we're going to deliver this.
Anything related to the front end that I can get here when I'm maybe not going to get it back at work, I think would add value to me and my company.
One of the best things about VSLive and why I tell people to attend is no matter what you're working in, there's going to be content for you.
ASP.NET, testing,
VisualStudio.net,
open source,
Angular,
web development,
test automation,
team development,
JavaScript,
the link,
touch,
Linux,
user experience,
debugging,
openness,
Xamarin,
Agile DevOps. So it's a great conference to go and get a little bit of something about everything within the .NET and the development world.
The cliche is, right, the one thing that's constant is the fact that the stuff is always changing.
The industry moves so quickly, just even in 12 months. Just need to make sure I know what's going on and I can lead my team well in emerging technology.
We're small and agile enough where we're always looking towards what's the next thing, and this helps us keep on the cutting edge.
You know, where you're working, where your clients are, where your boss is, they're probably going to want to keep using technologies that are older and more stable. Meanwhile, there's a bunch of pressure on you to learn the new stuff because eventually it will be the current stuff and the competency needs to be there.
So it's finding that right balance of education that's strategic versus education that's tactical.
The approach we've always taken is to have a good mix of both.
Help me be successful next week as well as 6 months from now.
To be in a place that had so many like-minded people, it was an opportunity that I couldn't pass up.
Meeting other great developers from all over the world and being able to share problems and the social aspect as well. It's really cool.
It's a little bit smaller, a little bit more interaction with the people attending the sessions. I like the fact that we can have a real chat with the people in the room.
And I also really like it when people come up to me and said that they learned something, because that's really the goal here.
What I like the best is when they write to you and tell you how you've helped them solve problems, which is basically why we're here.
So this is the conference that isn't about conference-driven development. It's about attendee, enterprise, corporate necessity-driven development.